You might call us crazy, but we're going out in this weather.
Take a picture of that.
Oh, wow, that is pretty. Don't know how the school buses get through this, though.
They're heavy vehicles. They're trucks.
It might be that, but... Okay, fine. Loaded with a bunch of kids, they're heavy.
They're heavy to begin with.
Fine. Just be happy we didn't take that hill that goes in the curves. I wonder if it's legal to leave your flag out in this kind of storm. We got out early of school, actually. 1 o'clock dismissal.
Before the roads get too bad.
Yeah. We're going to cash a birthday check. Recently my birthday was, and my Aunt Cindy gave me, I'm not going to disclose the amount of money, so, but I got money now. I guess we could call it a blizzard, just not a lot of snow. Can we?
I mean, not a lot of snow. We're getting a lot of snow.
Oh yeah, I mean, just from looking at it, it doesn't look like a lot because recently the plow was full. See how you look at the field sometimes and it looks like it's full, but it's not. Like full of beanstalks, if you look at it the correct angle. I need to find out why you pooped out on me. Halfway. You. Why halfway? That's just ridiculous. I am done for the day with snow. I'm tired of it. I'm just tired of it. Come on, I shoveled 3 driveways. One was my grandma's, yes, and the other was an elderly neighbor's. I am tired. And I still have school tomorrow. Sometimes I don't like school. But I guess I have to. Daddy, did you do much today? You couldn't have. But you're sleeping like you have. Where's Peaches?
Grandma's.
Okay, she's all cleaned up?
I did her butt.
You didn't have to say that. I just asked if she is cleaned up.
The butt.
There you go. There's Daddy.